Hey everyone, my name is Mitch from Salty Safaris. We're up here in the house on the hill on the 11 acres of woods at Pacific Palms.
We are located here. Just a short drive away, we've got 6 surf spots on offer, depending on the wind and swell direction. And keep a lookout, because if you're lucky, you might even see whales and dolphins.
We're up here for a 3-day surf retreat. We've got 4 surf sessions, all getting filmed and analysed here in this living room. So if you're struggling with your surfing, here's the perfect place for you, because we're going to film you, we're going to be out in the water helping you, guiding you, we're going to show you how to stretch, warm up, position yourself in the lineup properly to catch more waves, and that's what it's all about. More time on waves, the more you'll improve. So if you're a beginner, we're going to get you to the next level, to the intermediates, and if you're intermediate, we'll get you to advanced, and then eventually one day you won't need us, you just come and hang out and surf. People come from all over the world. We've got Germans, people from Chile, Colombia, South America, Europe. On the property we got pool, ping pong table, ice bath, trampoline. We usually run optional breathwork classes and yoga on the balcony. Wake up, join if you want. We'd love to have you here, we can't wait, especially you. Book your trip and I'll see you soon. You!
Now hop in and let me show you where we enjoy a sunset beverage overlooking Wallace Lake.
Hello guys, and we are here today at Salty Safari Surf Camp. I'm here with the gang. Who we got over here?
Hi, I'm Victoria.
I'm Eleanor.
And we've just come back from a glorious day of surfing. The barbecue's on. We're living our best lives.
We're having a great time on the Salty Safari surf camp. It's nice to get out of the city. Beautiful waves, uncrowded lineups.
We tried an ice bath for the first time. It was very cold, but it was a good challenge to stay in there for as long as possible.
When we arrived last night, the property was lit.
Yeah, we had a great time playing pool, had a beautiful meal all together.
Yeah, that's the thing that's really beautiful about this place. Like, we got people from all different countries, all different age groups, but everyone's just bringing vibes.
Seeing a lot of nature. The scenery is amazing. It's so quiet and peaceful.
We saw dolphins. We saw pelicans. And most importantly, we shredded some waves.
We have video evidence of us shredding
that we will review. They've really given us some really helpful pointers on improving our surfing.
Yeah, Mitch was helping me do some cutbacks, which was fun.
Yeah, Mitch is the
man.
Get yourselves down here, guys.
Book your trip, guys. It's awesome.
You won't regret it.
Hey, my name is Juan. I'm from Colombia. This is such a great experience. I would recommend this to all my friends, absolutely. Whoever wants to jump on surfing or doesn't know anything about it and wants to progress, this is the best of the best. You have such an amazing people around, you have great coaches, the environment is great, you have a house full of nice people, the great scenery around, the mountains, the sky, everything happening all at the same time, and it's just feels like a movie pretty much.
We really get to celebrate each other's waves. If one of us catches a wave, everyone's like, yeah, let's go. It's just so nice to share waves with people because most people surf by themselves. So just to have a group, encourages you to improve and, also give you courage when the waves are getting way too big. It's just cool, man. It's great to build a nice surf community. The property is just insane. Super big. If you want to chill, you can. If you want to, play pool with the boys and drink a beer, you can also do that. You can go to the pub. So many things to do, man. And it's just such a great getaway from the routine and, life and work. Just grab your mates and come here, man. You're going to have the best weekend ever. Catch big waves, jump into an ice bath, and yeah, have a great time.